always been interested in pushing the boundaries, and the tunnel is just the next step. I think it's very easy to understand how difficult it is to fly with a plane through a tunnel. The fact of flying through a solid obstacle that is all around us makes this a mental game. There is so much into this project that is unknown and has to be prepared. The physics of the tunnel showed us that there are waves that will require me to react in less than 250 milliseconds. I need to be very precise. I need to move my hands and my feet in a very coordinated way.
Channel 1, please all 50 left.
Every day before I go to sleep, I ask myself if I'm ready and if it was a good idea. I'm 100% scared. I know that I have no backup option. The fear that I have is exactly the fear that I need to push myself.
Flight window is open.
You bro?
Inside the tunnel, I have to look at my center line. I can't interrupt it. Once I started, I have to go. And there is only one exit. You are so fast that everything comes so close to you. So much pressure that you just get rid of. I would have never expected that. Was so relieving. I really was not expecting that.